When you think of a laboratory, white coats, chemicals, and experiments always come to mind. However, there is also a critical item that is present in nearly every laboratory: glassware. Glassware is an essential part of laboratory equipment and is utilized in nearly every aspect of laboratory work. Beakers, funnels, flasks, jars, bottles, stirrers, tubing, and pipettes, all made of glass, and as a result, all extremely fragile. These different types of glassware all serve different purposes, but can require movement, transportation, and contain hazardous materials. If a workplace spill or accident occurs, these types of glassware can easily crack, break, or shatter, creating a dangerous and potentially deadly situation in the laboratory. What are the dangers associated with glassware in the laboratory? How can you protect yourself from glassware accidents? What procedures need to be followed when working with glassware in the laboratory? Welcome to the Glassware Safety in Laboratories Orientation Training. During this safety course, we will cover the following learning objectives: glassware inspection and selection, proper glassware usage, cleaning and storage,